May nagtanong lang kung Diyos daw si Jesus, bakit siya umiyak ng, my God, why have you forsaken me, sa Matthew 27. Well, this is actually one of the strongest confirmation of who Jesus truly is. Kasi when Jesus cried out, Eli, Eli, lema sabachthani, or my God, why have you forsaken me? He was quoting scripture. Yes, sa book of Psalm. And mind you guys, yung book of Psalm 22, it was written 1,000 years before the crucifixion. Dinidescribe doon yung suffering ng Messiah. Kapag binasa nyo yung buong chapter 22 sa verse 7, dinidescribe doon minamak siya ng crowd sa verse 16 to 17, yung pag-pierce sa kamay at sa paa niya sa verse 18, yung pag-cast ng lot para sa garments. At lahat yan nangyari during crucifixion na recorded sa Matthew chapter 27. Kaya nung sinabi niya yon, he was actually announcing na yung Psalm 22 was being fulfilled in real time. Nangyayari na sa harap nyo, yung nakasulat sa Old Testament. Napakalinaw, the Bible teaches that Jesus is fully human and fully God. The hypostatic union or the doctrine of incarnation. John 1:1, di ba? The Word was God. Sa verse 14, sabi doon, the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. Nanirahan kasama tayo. Sa Colossians 2 verse 9, in Him the fullness of deity dwells bodily. And calling the Father my God does not deny His divinity. It actually proves the Trinity kasi it shows the relationship within the Trinity at yung true humanity ni Christ. Pangalawa, He really felt forsaken kasi He experienced real suffering as a human being. The Bible teaches He is fully human, not just appearing human. For we do not have a high priest who cannot sympathize with our weaknesses. Imagine, the one who was perfectly righteous was treated as forsaken. So that those who were truly guilty, sino yun? Tayo yun. Could be forever accepted. Sabi sa 2 Corinthians, God made Him who knew no sin to be sin for us. At sabi sa Isaiah 53, lahat ng kasalanan ng sanlibutan nilagay sa Kanya. Lord has laid on Him the iniquity of us all. Basahin niyo itong chapter 53 ng Isaiah. It talks about the suffering servant. So at that moment, nung sinabi niya yon, Jesus was bearing the sin of the world. He was experiencing the judgment na dapat tayo yon. Jesus cried, my God, why have you forsaken me? So that you and I would never have to say those words. At hindi doon natapos yung Psalm 22. Hindi natapos sa abandonment yung Psalm 22. It actually ends with the greatest victory in human history. All the ends of the earth shall remember earth and turn to the Lord, and all the families of the nation shall worship before you. Kaya nung sinabi ni Jesus yon, hindi yun evidence against His divinity. Evidence yun na He is the promised Messiah sa Psalm 22, di ba? He fulfilled the messianic prophecy and many more. No, he claimed the divine name, I am, pangalan ng Diyos yun. He forgave sins, di ba? He received glory, something only God can receive. At ang matindi, He created everything, sabi sa Bible. Through Him, walang malilikha dito sa universe na to. At sobrang dami pa, abutin tayo ng umaga dito. Hope that helps. God bless you everyone.